So, and the spindle of the square spindle, you can adjust the length according to the dot thickness. Install the screw pillar. You must fix the pillar by the tongs. Make sure the pillar won't move. Look at the back side. This small steel pin, you can adjust the pin, the length according to the dot thickness. Okay, look. You can cut the pins, the length according to the dot thickness, and install here. Here's a look. Install here. Install the front panel on the door. And now install the interior panel. Make the wire go through the lock. Here we go. Okay, there are 3 holes: square hole, and the cylinder hole, and this pin hole. Look at the 3 holes. This pin go inside this hole. The cylinder hole go inside here, and the square hole. Okay, successful. It works very well. Now let's install the long screws. The screw length also can be adjusted by the dot thickness. You can cut it off. This is a very long screw, but I cut it off to a small one, to a short one. Let's test. Open the door, close the door. Nice. So the installation is very successful. Connect the screen. Install battery.